All right, darlings, we're doing simple gifts. Let me make sure everybody's muted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Tis a gift to be simple, 'tis the gift to be free, 'tis the gift to come down where we ought to be. And when we find ourselves in a place just right, we'll be in the valley of love and delight. Next measure. Next measure. Now part 2. When true simplicity is gained, to bow and to bend, we won't be ashamed to turn. Will be our delight, till by turning we come round right. Third measure, fourth measure. 'Tis a gift to be simple, 'tis a gift to be free, 'tis a gift to come down where we ought to be. And when we find ourselves in the place just right, we'll be in the valley of love